Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to remove green screen in CapCut. Firstly, open CapCut and import your main video. Drag it onto the timeline and import your green screen footage. Drag it above the main video in the timeline. This makes it an overlay. Just select the green screen clip in the timeline, then click on Cutout on the top right menu. Select Chroma Key and use the color picker to select the green color. Adjust the strength to remove the background cleanly and use shadow settings for more natural blend. Once you're satisfied with the results, just export in MP4 with your preferred resolution. And done. You now have a seamless green screen edit. Let me know if you need more editing tips. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in for more videos.